A-box modders. So I haven't checked in a while, especially with the PWM stuff. Enough of the posts about noobs and whatnot. You guys will figure that out. So, we were talking in the group not too long ago about some voltmeters work with PWM, reading the PWM output, and some don't. The ones I normally use don't. And silly me, I just thought they all didn't work. And luckily I got some feedback from some of the other guys saying, yeah, no, really, these work. So I can't tell you definitively every single one that works and doesn't. I can tell you wanmeter.com as a Chinese site first off, and it has not the best shipping options. But they're all the D-Rock meters. So if you can find any meters that say D-Rock, they'll probably work. So if you want to give that a shot, go ahead. So anyway, I found one in my stack of shit that works. So I put it in my my blue box. This is my prototype PWM box, my bitch box, if you were. It takes the brunt of a lot of my experimentation. So I have it wired up to switch on the negative. And the reason I did that is the positive goes straight from, just imagine there are batteries here. This is plugged into a power supply right now. It goes straight from the positive to the positive 510. What that means is if I switched it here and here, I would read the difference between this point and this point, which is just going to be conductor loss, and that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to read the limitation, the voltage limitation that the PWM is putting on it. So battery negative, or supply negative, is different than 510 negative. It's because I'm using an N-channel MOSFET. This is the same, without the PWM, this is a series PWM box with an optional DC jack. So I have it connected to 11 volts right now. And I have it set to where it vapes at about 666. I did 666 before, whatever. So, and I can adjust it down at about 2.6, and I can adjust it up. I'm not fucking vaping 11 volts. Sorry, not today. I don't like the taste of burnt cotton. If you guys do, go for it. Anyway, you can go 100% on it. I can turn it back down, 6 something, and take it back up a little bit. 10 something, or 9 something. 8, and let's see. It's at 8 right there. Let's see what it pulls it down to. There we go. Okay. .7. .7. Anyway, you get the idea. So, I also have, let's talk about a couple of the features. I have the on-off switch, so off. It cuts the power to 555. It's not going to do anything. Back on. It works. You can hear the whine. It whines. So do a lot of you guys. Bypass. I'm not vaping on bypass. Bypass takes it straight to, takes the battery voltage and sends it straight to the MOSFET gate. In case you guys aren't clear on how this works. 555 sends a little pulse. Max, 0. Max, 0. And the gaps in between are what reduce the average voltage of the thing. So you can do bypass. That makes it basically like a series MOSFET box. It's exactly like a series MOSFET box. Okay. So anyway, bypass off. So in case you just want to fucking vape battery voltage, or your 555 takes a shit because you were doing something crazy with it, yeah, whatever. There are a couple of good things coming with PWM. Mainly finding a good way to have a setup that'll do series and parallel. The standard 555 that's in here, it gets weird around 4 volts. So parallel or single is out of the question. However, there is a different 555 out there that goes lower. Ordered some. I'm going to try it out with a different setup. We'll see if it works. So anyway, questions down there. Pin post up there for you who are not on YouTube. And enjoy.